In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit your buttons on your sales page. So you need to change all these buttons. This is to enroll for 100. This is to enroll for 300. This is enroll for 600. And above here, you'll see where you have to put your 900 if you're in the legacy program. And if you want to offer payment plan, I'm using Klarna because I'm in the UK. So I've created a Stripe link, sorry. I've created a Stripe link. And if anybody clicks here, it will open up and they can have the option to choose Klarna and then choose the breakdown of how much they're supposed to pay. Okay. So, and I've also changed here to say available in UK. So you can change this for your country, and also if you're in America, it will be Afterpay, and just find something for your country. And I use Stripe because my Stripe has PayPal connected in it. So I don't create my links on PayPal because everything is on Stripe. So just gonna scroll down here and just make these changes. So I've done this already. You can see I put my 600 link. If you haven't watched my video about how to edit your links so that you can easily identify them, do watch that video. It will help you to know what link you're adding so that you don't make a mistake and give somebody $100 product for a $600 product. Okay. So the 300, I haven't done anything with the 300. You click here and you're going to add the link this way where it says type in a URL. So I've put all my links in a notepad and I'm going to just copy my 300 link. And then I'm going to come back here, click on the Willy thing here, and then I'm just going to put it here. Okay. And that's 300. Okay. I don't touch anything else here. So I come back to this 100. Let me go to my notepad first of all. I copy my 100 link. And then I come to here, click on the settings link, and then I put where it says URL, and I put my 100 link, and I'm going to save it. So that's saved now. I'm also going to be changing each button. So I'm also going to be changing each of this by creating a link on Stripe, and then for the payment plan. And I'm also going to change all these words to United Kingdom, so you have to change it to your country. And I'm going to change this to Klarna because that's the app that they're going to use. I think Afterpay also gives them an option, but Klarna is the one I know that is familiar here. And I'm going to change all this to only available in UK. So what do you do to change this? You just click on it. Can you see I just clicked on it? And you just do UK. Okay. And then you do the same thing here. Click on it, do UK or whatever country you're in. And then that's UK. That will save it. And then I'll come in here also and I'll do United Kingdom. I do the same thing here. United. Sorry. And what am I doing? Okay, you're dumb. I need to edit this one. Okay, so I can even copy and paste so I don't misspell. Copy and paste here. Oops, wrong. Hold on. Sometimes it happens like that. Good to copy, paste only. Okay. And then I'll change all this to Cal now. Cal, I think that's the spelling. And I can highlight it, make it a different color. It's not the same. Make it bold. Color and bold. It's not exactly the same, is it? Okay, something like that. Okay. What I can do is just do that and then just type. No, it doesn't work. I was thinking of typing it. No. And then just, so I don't have to try to figure out the color. Go to the cow. No. And save. You always have to save, okay? You always have to save so that you can even double save if you want to, just to be sure. So what I'm going to do, and I'm going to stop this video so it doesn't get too long. It's already 6-7 minutes. Now I'm going to stop it. And then I'm just going to take my time and create my links and add them to these buttons. And all I need to do when I get here is just click on it, and then I'll add the URL here. Okay, I hope this video has helped. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to ask. Okay.